In today's video, I am going to teach you how to trade on TradingView with Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to both your Pepperstone account and your TradingView account. Once you are signed in, open a chart in TradingView for the market you want to analyze. This will give you access to the trading tools and broker connection features you need. Next, look toward the top right area of the chart and click on the trading panel. This is where TradingView lets you connect to supported brokers and manage trades directly from the platform. In the list of available brokers, find and select Pepperstone. If your Pepperstone account is not already connected, TradingView will prompt you to log into your Pepperstone trading account. Complete the connection so TradingView can link to your broker account and enable live trading from the chart. Once the connection is active, choose the market or instrument you want to trade. You can do this from your watch list or by using the search bar to find a specific forex pair, index, commodity, or other supported asset. Open the chart for that instrument if it is not already displayed. When you are ready to place a trade, click either buy or sell from the chart interface or from the order panel. This will open the trade ticket, where you can enter the details of your order. Start by setting the order size based on the amount you want to trade. Then choose the order type that fits your strategy, such as a market order or another available order type. You can also add optional risk management settings, including a stop loss and a take profit level. These settings help define how much risk you want to take and where you want the trade to close automatically if price reaches your target or loss limit. After entering all of your trade details, review everything carefully. Check the instrument, order direction, position size, order type, and any stop loss or take profit values you have added. This is an important step before sending the trade to market. If everything looks correct, click Place Order or Submit to execute the trade. TradingView will send the order through your connected Pepperstone account, and your position should appear in the Positions section or inside the trading panel. From there, you can monitor and manage your open position directly in TradingView. You can track price movement, adjust your stop loss, or take profit, or close the trade when you are ready. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.